to the Cohen and Namaw Show. And we're gonna make sweet cinnamon rolls. Okay, so first step, Cohen, was we need to crack some eggs. So we got 2 large eggs, and they have to be at room temperature. Push it with your fingers. There you go. Oh, good job. Good job.
That's
no
a good one.
shell. That's a good one. Okay, so we're gonna stir them up once you get them in there. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is mix our melted butter. There's our melted butter. Throw that in there. Good job. Now you start stirring. Okay, next is our milk. There we go.
Guys, mixy. It's looking good, right?
Need the salt. It's a teaspoon of salt. Good job. Okay, we need to stir it up more. Can you stir that up more? Let's see. Okay, smell that.
Oh, that's right.
It smells kind of nasty.
You try. Does it smell right?
It's yeast. We're gonna put 2 cups of flour. Yeah, you need to keep stirring. So what we're doing now is we're adding 2 cups of flour. Okay. Half a cup of sugar. You want me to help?
Yeah, do a little bit. Look how good it's looking.
Getting kind of like bread dough. Yeah.
Like a hard dough.
Yeah, sweet roll dough is what it's called.
I like that. Oh, it's good. Yeah, you're looking good, Grandma. Good job, Grandma. I can't wait. I just want to eat it right now.
You want to eat the dough right now?
Yeah. You're going to hope it'll work. Amen.
Amen. That's right.
So flour.
We're going to put it right here. We don't want to knead it yet because we need it to grow. So we're going to put it right here. Doesn't that look messy?
Yeah. No, you guys smell it. It smells good. Except you put the sugar in it. It smells good.
Oh, okay. Because sugar makes everything smell good?
I think it smells good. I think it smells like peanut butter almost.
Peanut butter?
Yeah. Well, my nose is stuffed up. That's why I think it's peanut butter in there.
Oh, okay.
My nose is all stuffed up.
We're going to grease the bowl. Okay, we have to hold on to the butter like this because this is the wrapper, and then you're going to grease all around the bowl like this. So now we're greasing the bowl because we want our bread dough to raise. We want this thing to grow. It's going to grow twice the size. That little swirl down there looks good. Okay, you think it's ready to put in?
Sticky.
Sticky, that's right.
Are you going to roll it into like a little ball?
Yes, we're supposed to roll it into a ball. You got it. Okay, now do you want to pick it up and put it in there? There we go. And throw it in here.
Go wash your hands.
Now we have to take this and we have to
wash
cover
my
it.
hands.
Okay, so now it needs to grow for 1 hour.
Well, I want to do it in 1 hour.
That's
Go
right.
read some books and play and watch a movie for a little bit.
Then you want to take the dough after it's been made and you want to knead it for 5 minutes. To knead it means to just bring it back, punch it down, pull it back, punch it down, pull it back. Okay, we're back. So now we're greasing our pan to get ready to make our rolls. And this, we need to have the table or a pastry sheet, something greased. So we're gonna put butter on the table so this will roll out easier. Okay, so we're gonna roll this out on the butter. There.
That's bad.
I know. And now we're gonna mix the sugar. So we got brown sugar. Cohen, will you mix that in there?
Yeah, sure I would.
So we're gonna dump that in that bowl. Can you knock it around like that? Kind of break it up. And we need to mix our cinnamon in with that.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh, sorry. You're not ready yet? And now I need to get you some butter.
Chomp it up some more. Chomp it up. Chomp it up. This is like the thing and the brown stuff is like the ocean.
Roll this out. Roll our dough.
Why?
Because we're going to put that brown sugar and cinnamon on it to make cinnamon rolls. You can also mix in like a half a cup of pecans or a half a cup of walnuts
This
if
is
you
so
have them.
hard.
You can do it. I have faith in you.
I think I'm almost done. Make it go all the way to the table.
Now we need to put some butter on it.
So much butter.
It does look like so much butter, doesn't it?
You think I'm doing a good job?
Yes. Now we're gonna take these and we're gonna go like this.
Okay, good idea. After that's ready till I go wash our hands.
Yes. And just sprinkle that out so it's everywhere.
Pat it down a little bit and maybe
Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. Now we're gonna start rolling it. So we're gonna roll like this.
Can I help?
Uh-huh. You roll on one side and I'll roll on the other. Now we need to get some thread to cut it. Okay, so the next step is here, I'll show you. We're gonna lay it down underneath like that. And then we pull them up and then they cross like that. So hold on to this and that makes a roll. See, so there's the first one. Okay, so watch. Go underneath, pull up above and turn it. Good job. I would probably cut them at least an inch, but I like my cinnamon rolls big. Good job.
That's good. Oh, that looks like a great grandpa one.
I know. I know.
Mine's like cinnamon.
Okay.
That's the biggest one.
I know. We don't have a pan full yet, though. Good job.
That's the biggest one.
Now let's see how many more we got to go.
1, 2. 2 more. What's your big one? A little bit bigger. There, that's a good size one. Good. Mom's gonna make one right now. Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. Let me help you.
Yeah,
You're
you
doing
did that
good.
side.
Pull it through. Good job.
That's
oh, it's
good.
a baby one. It's
Oh, that'll be for me. Can that one be for me?
Yeah.
I
It's
made
adorable.
a baby. Papa, look, I made a baby one in there first. Oh, nice baby.
Okay.
That's good. Good.
It has to raise now for 20 minutes. 20 more minutes.
Can I try one? Thanks. Mmm.
What do you think? Is it good? Oh, it's really good. Oh, it's hopping good. Okay, so we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so this is the last step, is to pour just a tiny bit of whipping cream over the rolls right before you bake them.
Doing some icing.
Now we're icing them, right, Cohen?
Here we go.
Do you want to put some more icing on yours? Or you got enough?
Look at that big blob.
Yeah, everything's better with icing, isn't it? And this is just a buttercream frosting that we bought from Betty Crocker. But normally we would do milk, butter, powdered sugar, and it would be the same as what we're getting in a can. Okay, I think we've got them all finished up. Our rolls are done. What do you
This
think?
one.
High five?
You take one too.
Okay, you can take all my icing off.
High five.
Okay, take another bite. What do you think?
No, you.
So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the Cohen Namaw Show.
Bye.